Welcome back to Passive Wealth Formula, your ultimate guide to achieving financial freedom through the captivating world of AI and online freelancing. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to unleash the full potential of ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating ChatGPT like a true expert. So, let's fasten our seatbelts and dive into this immersive AI adventure. Getting started with ChatGPT. To begin our ChatGPT adventure, let's navigate to the OpenAI website or any platform that grants access to this cutting-edge AI language model. Once there, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface that simplifies interactions with ChatGPT. Now comes the moment of truth. Put ChatGPT to the test by posing simple questions or prompts in the chat box. Watch in awe as ChatGPT responds with human-like answers, offering invaluable insights and ingenious ideas. An essential tip for maximizing ChatGPT potential is to provide clear and concise prompts. The more context you offer, the more accurate and relevant ChatGPT responses will be. Let's explore this further with a practical example. Prompt: assist me with my essay on climate change. Can you provide key points to include? Response: ChatGPT generates a plethora of valuable points about climate change, encompassing causes, effects, and potential solutions. Keep the conversation flowing with follow-up questions. ChatGPT memory allows it to provide coherent responses to subsequent queries. Prompt: what are some renewable energy sources? Response: ChatGPT lists solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal as prominent renewable energy sources. Follow-up prompt: tell me more about solar energy. Response: ChatGPT elaborates on solar energy, explaining how solar panels work and the benefits they offer. Unlock ChatGPT versatility by utilizing system-level instructions. Assign roles like a poet, a teacher, or a character from a book for tailored responses. Prompt: GPT 3.5 Turbo in the style of Shakespeare. Describe a beautiful sunrise. Response: ChatGPT crafts a poetic and eloquent description of a majestic sunrise, reminiscent of Shakespearean prose. Exploring ChatGPT's features. Let's delve deeper into ChatGPT world and unveil a treasure trove of fantastic features that take your AI experience to extraordinary heights. One such feature is System Messages, which empowers you to control the model's behavior for specific tasks. Prompt: GPT 3.5 Turbo translate the following English text to French. Hello, how are you? Response: ChatGPT cleverly translates the English text to French, giving you bonjour. Comment ça va. Temperature settings offer another exhilarating option. Lower values like 0.2 produce focused and deterministic responses, while higher values like 0.8 generate more creative and varied outputs. Prompt: GPT 3.5 Turbo with a temperature of 0.8. Tell me a story about a curious astronaut exploring a distant galaxy. Response: ChatGPT weaves an imaginative tale of the astronaut's interstellar adventures, filled with vivid imagery and captivating plot twists. Use max tokens to control response length. Set a specific value for concise answers or let it run wild for more in-depth explanations. Prompt: GPT 3.5 Turbo set max tokens to 50. Explain the concept of artificial intelligence. Response: ChatGPT provides a succinct yet informative explanation of AI within the set limit. Customizing ChatGPT features empowers you to get precisely the results you need for different tasks and scenarios. Responsible use of ChatGPT. While exploring ChatGPT capabilities, we must prioritize responsible AI use. Avoid sharing sensitive information or using it for malicious purposes. Remember, ChatGPT lacks real-world knowledge. Always verify critical information from trusted sources. Respect the platform's usage policies and follow guidelines for ethical AI use. Responsible AI usage ensures a positive impact on both users and the broader community. Real-life applications of ChatGPT. The versatility of ChatGPT opens up a world of exciting real-life applications. Content creation. Leverage ChatGPT to effortlessly draft captivating blog posts, engaging social media content, and compelling marketing material. Creative idea generation. Overcome creative blocks by seeking inspiration from ChatGPT diverse responses, sparking new ideas and fresh perspectives. Academic assistance. Enhance your learning journey with ChatGPT wealth of knowledge. Get explanations for complex topics and receive answers to academic questions, empowering you to excel in your studies. Code generation. Streamline your coding process by using ChatGPT to generate code snippets and solve programming challenges, saving time and effort. Customer support. Enhance your customer service experience with ChatGPT quick responses. Employ it to answer common customer queries and provide valuable assistance round the clock. The applications of ChatGPT in various industries are boundless and transformative. From healthcare to finance, entertainment to research, ChatGPT leaves an indelible mark on every sector. Tips and tricks for optimal ChatGPT usage. To make the most of ChatGPT, consider these tips. Experiment with different prompts and instructions to achieve the desired results. Fine-tune the temperature and max token settings for responses that align with your needs. Use ChatGPT capabilities responsibly and ethically, respecting privacy and confidentiality. Harness the power of ChatGPT to its fullest and explore uncharted territories of creativity and problem-solving. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the vast potential of ChatGPT, and the possibilities for its applications are endless. Embrace ChatGPT as your virtual assistant, creative companion, and knowledge guru. Take ChatGPT to new heights by integrating it into your daily life and professional endeavors. From content creation to educational pursuits, ChatGPT is your ticket to extraordinary achievements. Share your ChatGPT success stories and creative applications with us in the comments section. We're thrilled to hear about the amazing experiences you have with this exceptional AI tool. If you found this video helpful and insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Passive Wealth Formula, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest AI adventures. Thank you for joining us on this captivating AI journey. Together, we'll continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with ChatGPT and embrace the exciting future of artificial intelligence. Until next time, happy chatting and stay curious.